Hi there. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Hamster Kombat unable to log in. Let's get started. So if Hamster Kombat is unable to log you in, there are two things you can try to do. So once you reach Telegram, what you want to do is access Hamster Kombat. And then in the top right, you're going to select those three dots. And then you're going to select Clear History. So now it says Clear History. Are you sure you want to clear your chat history with Hamster Kombat? And then you can also select the checkbox there, as it says also delete for Hamster Kombat. You can do that. And then you're going to press on delete. Now, the second method is to go to your settings and go to apps and apps again. Then you're going to search up Telegram, and there it is. Then you're going to go to storage. Now, there are two things that you need to do here. You need to clear the cache if you want. So once you're done clearing the cache, it's going to say 0 bytes. And then you're going to go to manage storage. Then you're going to go to the top right where the three dots are. And you're going to select clear local database. So then after you're done doing that, try to go to Telegram again and then enter your details, your phone number, and then log into Hamster Kombat, and it should work. Now, if Hamster Kombat does not log you in after those two attempts, then I think you should give it a couple of minutes to a couple of hours or days. Maybe there's something going on with these servers. So then you just have to wait a bit and see if everything returns to normal. And there you go. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.